How the travel agent can reserve the seat at the time of booking?
By making an advance booking in the airline.
Right. What type of seat is booked automatically when you give ST command?
Non-smoking seat.
Right. What command is given to reserve smoking seat?
SM.
Wrong. W area code is used for which part of airline?
For window seat.
Right. What command is given to reserve aisle seat?
What command is given to reserve an aisle seat? ST, then slash, then A.
Right. What command is given to reserve a bulkhead seat?
ST slash and B.
Right. What passenger type code is used for infant passenger?
I.
Right. What passenger type code is used for the passenger with medical condition?
M.
Right. What command has been given to reserve a seat for unaccompanied minor?
ST slash and U.
Right. What command must be given to reserve a seat for a handicapped passenger?
ST slash H.
Right. How many airlines called for seat wish? Sorry, what do you mean by seat wish?
Seat wish is when advance booking is not required. In that case, airline gives preference to the passenger to book a seat wish.
Can you please repeat?
When advance booking is not required, in that case, airline give the preference to the passengers to make a seat wish.
Right. What is a code that is used for non-smoking seat?
NSST.
Right. What code is used for non-smoking bulkhead seat?
NSSB.
Right. What code is used for specific seat number?
Specific seat number. IQST.
Right. What code is used for smoking aisle seat?
SMSA.
Right. What code is used for smoking window seat?
SMSB. W. Sorry, SMSW.
Right. What command is given to reserve a seat?
What command is to reserve a seat? ST.
Right. What type of seats are available in most airlines?
Non-smoking seat.
Right. A is used for which part of airline?
Aisles.
B is used for which part of airline? Right.
Bulkhead.
Right. Which command is given to reserve a window seat?
ST slash and W.
Right. What command is used for unaccompanied minor?
ST slash U.
For handicapped passenger?
ST slash H.
Both are wrong.
ST slash H.
Sorry, what code is used for handicapped passenger?
Okay. What code है handicapped passenger? H.
इसको write कर दियो.
Was that wrong questions? That's fine.
Question repeated. What command is used to reserve a seat for infant passenger?
ST slash I.
Right. What command has been given to reserve a seat for a passenger with medical condition?
ST slash M.
Right. What command will you use to indicate the passenger sitting preference if advanced seat sitting request isn't possible?
First of all, enter the transaction code ST, then enter the slash, then enter the 4 code preference seat.
Right. What is the code that is used for non-smoking aisle seat?
Non-smoking NSSA.
Right. What code is used for non-smoking window seat?
NSSW.
Right. What code is used for smoking seat?
For smoking seat, SMST.
Right. And for bulkhead seat, smoking bulkhead seat?
SMSB.
Right.